Hello, David here, and the project for today is making guacamole. Today's the big game, and I want some guacamole dip for my nachos. And I got this recipe from my sister Susie. Talk about the ingredients. I got 2 ripe avocados. Recipe calls for 1 ripe tomato, but these tomatoes are small, so I'm using 2. Those get chopped to taste. An onion that gets chopped to taste. But if you look at this onion, this thing's bigger than a melon, so I'm only going to use part of that onion. Got some red cayenne pepper. And some lemon juice. Now that's not a real lemon, that's plastic, but they make it look like a real lemon so that you buy it thinking it's a real lemon. But inside of there's some juice. Salt to taste. I don't cook with salt, so I'm not going to add any salt. So let's get to work. Gonna first cut up the avocado and put it in a bowl. Nice thing about avocados is you don't have to wash them because you don't use the outside. You just cut around it till you hit the seed. Kind of like that. Pick that seed out of there. Gonna need a spoon to scoop it. That thing in the bowl. How many people will this serve? I don't know. It depends if this is your main course and this is all you're eating, or is it a side dish? How many people you're having over, how hungry they are. 2 avocados will probably serve, I don't know, 2 to 4 people. Gonna have a crowd of people over, you're gonna need some more avocados. Just scoop out everything. I try not to do too much talking so I don't sound like Alvin the Chipmunk when I go into fast speed. Fast forward, what do they call it? It's fast something, fast forward. Well, that's about it. See how easy it is? Let me taste it, see if I have enough cayenne in it. Takes a minute for the cayenne to hit your taste buds. Nope, need some more. that's about it. And the game starts in about 45 minutes. Yeah, for the nachos, I just line a pan with aluminum, put out a layer of these corn chips, put a layer of shredded cheddar cheese on top, another layer of chips, and then another layer of cheddar cheese, and then bake it for around 300 degrees for about 10 minutes or until it melts. Don't cook it for too long. The chips will get too crusty, or the cheese will burn, or whatever cheese does when it overcooks. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit like, and all that other fine stuff. Enjoy the game. Bye now.